In this tutorial, we will discuss about how to manipulate your data and fetch your results from the tables available in a server using a DML SQL command. In this tutorial, we will discuss only about the DML command. Here, what is DML command? DML command is used for the data manipulation, and we have three commands in DML categories: insert, update and delete. Now we will discuss one by one. Let's discuss about the insert. Before we going to using a insert command, we need to have a table. So I have created a TVL imply a table where we have a 5 column. Let's see what we have in my TVL table. Let's select star from TVL employee. Let's run this. We have 5 columns with no data because we gonna use a DML command, insert command, and using insert command I gonna insert records into this table under these 5 columns, and we have all the 5 columns as per their data type defined. Now I'm going to insert a record into it. How to do that? Let's see. Insert into, that means you are going to insert into the table, and what is my table name is TVL employee, and let's define the column name, ID and F name, L name, age and income. Here we are going to insert into this table under this column name. But what we gonna insert? We gonna insert as a values, and under the round bracket we gonna define the values of all the 5 columns using comma separation. So my ID is 100, and then F name is Alice, and then last name is Lean. We are giving in a single quotation because these are a varchar type. Varchar, that means character type, and we have integer as a 23 years of age, and we have 2300 as an income. Let's select this one and run this. Now check, I have entered one record into this table. Now you can see we have one record into this table inserted. Now I have inserted one record only. Now I want 2, 3 records or 4, 5 records being inserted all together. Then you just copy this one, write a comma, then copy this one, then write a comma, again copy this one, enter, write a comma, then write a comma, then write a comma. Like this I have inserted 5, 6 records, and now I'm going to change values only. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now select all these and let's run this one. Now let's see, we have 7 records into this table inserted. This is the first way of inserting fields records into this table. Now the second way is going to insert the same record into this table. Here I am not going to define the column name, just delete this one and now get insert again. Now let's see what other records do we have in this table. we have now 13 records inserted. This is the second way. Now I'm going to use the third way where I just created a new table and I have one table already which have a multiple of records. What what I am interested in that all the records which are available in our existing table get inserted directly into the newly created table. So for this you need to create a new table also for having the same column and same data type. So I'm just renaming a column with employee 1. Now let's create first this one. I have created a employee 1. Now I have in employee table of 13 records. Now I want all 13 records get inserted at once into TBL employee 1. So what we will do? We will write insert into the new table name. And what is my new table name? This one, just copy this one and paste. And here you can write select star from which table? This table because you have the record in this table. Now insert into the newly created table and by selecting all the records from the existing table. Now select this one and run this one. Now let's select what other records do we have in employee 1 because I have created employee 1 and all the records what we have in existing table will get inserted into employee 1. Let's see in employee 1 we have all the 13 records get inserted from TBL employee to TBL employee 1. In this way you can insert all the records from existing tables to a newly created table. So there are three ways to insert a record into a table. I am using this time pgadmin. This is for PostgreSQL. Now the second DML command is update command. Now what I want the Alice should be Alex. That means I want F name column in this table should be replaced with Alex. So write update and then table name. And what is my table name? My table name is TBL employee 1. So I'm going to update TBL employee 1 which has 13 table and having first name as Alice, but I want Alice should be Alex. So you have to set the value. So I'm going to set my F name as Alex. But where my F name is Alice now. So I'm going to update TBL employee 1 as F name as Alex where we have F name as Alice. So Alice should be replaced by Alex by update command. Let's select this and run this. Now check this one. We have Alex now. Earlier we had Alice. This way you're gonna update. Now what I want to update one more thing in TBL employee 1. I want age to be updated at 32. We have 23 now. What I want to be updated as 32 in place of 23. Just select this one and run. Now check the records. We have 32 now. So this way you can update your record. Now the third one is a delete command. For deleting a specific record or a bunch of records, you need to write a query like delete from. That means you are going to delete from a table. So you need to write a from and give a table name. My table name is employee 1. And what I want to delete from this table, where ID is greater than 103. That means where ID is greater than 103, meaning 104, 105, 106 should be deleted. So just select this one. And now check what we have in this TVL employee 1. We have deleted the ID greater than 103. In this way you gonna use a delete command also. Now I'm going to show you the same command in SQL Server Management Studio, and I have created a table already using the same command, and let's see what we have in this table TVL employee. Let's run this. We have nothing, but we have a structures. We have columns. Now I'm going to use a insert command here. So insert command, and I'm going to use the same copy from here and paste it from here and paste it here. Now let's run this because I have the same column or and the same table. So run this, and now let's see, we have 6 records here. This is the one way of inserting, and this is the another way of inserting. We're gonna show you how to work in SSMS. Again, I'm going to select these 2 lines and execute it. And let's see what we have now. We have 12 records here. Now there's another way, a bunch of records available in existing table. I am going to insert directly into a newly created table so that a bunch of records get directly inserted a new table. For this you need to have created a new table. I am going to create a new table like employee 1. Same, and now execute this one. I have created employee 1 table. Now I want to insert all the records from employee to employee 1. The same command I'm going to copy here and paste it here. Now execute. We have 12 rows affected. That means we have entered 12 records. Now I want to see what other records do we have in employee 1. We have 12 records because I have inserted all the records available in TVL employee to TVL employee 1. In this way you can insert records into the table. Now I'm going to use update command. Same command what we have used here. I'm copying the both commands here and get it pasted here. Now first I want to update Alex. I want to Alex in place of Alice. Now just run this and let's see what we have. Now Alice replaced by Alex. Now same thing I want to update is as 23 what we have. I want to update as 32. Now execute this one and let's see the records. We have 32 here. In this way you can update your records. Now going to use a delete command. Same thing I'm gonna copy here and paste it here because I have the same table and I have same columns of the table. And now I'm going to delete it all the records having ID greater than 103. Just select this one and execute this one. Now check what we have in TBL employee 1. Now you can see the ID greater than 103 gets deleted using the delete command. Because delete is using a from, because delete needs a from, means you are going to delete, but where from this table you have to indicate. So in this way you can use data manipulation language DML command and use your data manipulation. So these are the way for inserting, updating and deleting uh, the records from the existing table or inserting into existing table or into a newly created table. It is up to you. So let's hit a subscribe button who haven't subscribed it, and please pass this message around your friend circle so that they can also join us. Thanks for watching. Stick to my upcoming video. Have a great day.